How to find Roblox gift card on Amazon. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Amazon app. Log into your account. Click on search bar at the top. Then in here, simply search for Roblox gift card. After that, simply buy Roblox gift card from here. But if you have already ordered, you can simply go to your account at the bottom. Then click on your orders, which is see all orders. Then you will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on the Roblox gift card. Then click on copy, which is pin code. After you have copied the pin code, what you can do is open Roblox on your device. Then log into your account. Click on more at the bottom right corner of your screen. In here, scroll down till you find gift cards. Click on gift cards. Then you will find this kind of screen pop up. At the top right corner of your screen, you'll find redeem card. Click on redeem card. After that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here on the code section, simply paste the code you just copied earlier and press on redeem and you're good to go. This is how to find Roblox gift card code on Amazon. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.